guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my front lawn. It's a mixture, perennial rye, fescue, Bermuda, I think some Kentucky blue, but I'm not sure. But this is what it looks like right now. We'll see how it lasts when the summer heat hits. But I dropped some Milorganite. The rest of my weaving feed. So we're trying to get it. It's looking a whole lot better than it normally does. I'm gonna have to level it out one of these days. Down here, if you look, all that is Bermuda. This right here is a mixture of fescue, not fescue, but perennial rye, bluegrass, and Bermuda seed. And what I've been doing today after I cut, I've been dropping just with the spreader, just spreading an even amount of sand all over the daggone place. I didn't just dump it down. What I'm gonna do is did like 100 pounds, but every time I come home, I'm going to be dropping sand and getting it in there. So, and then watering it so it eventually even out, so I can get me a smooth area. This is, you can see the sand right there. And what I did over there, I trimmed that bush down. That's my grapes, my grapevines. And I trimmed that bush down. Those are my hydrangeas over there. And I put some the pine straw down in the front, and right now I'm just watering, and that's it for now.